Have you ever walked into a big data interview and realized these are not the questions you practice? Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Factory. In today's video, I am going to walk you through real big data engineer interview questions that I personally faced and today's questions were asked in a Deloitte interview. If you are preparing for SQL or Spark interviews, watch this till the end. Let's begin. So let's jump into the question number one. The question number one majorly focus on SQL. So here you're given two tables. The first table is movie. It contains the movie details like ID, movie name, year, lead actor, lead actress, and awards won. The second table is movie income. It contains how much income each movie earned, movie ID, and from which source. Movie ID is a foreign key in the movie income table that references the ID column of the movie table. Now let's jump into the actual interview questions. So the question number one. Write a SQL query to get the total income earned from theaters for all movies where Mr. B is the lead actor. Try to think about the logic before jumping to the answer. So what the interviewer is checking here is they want to see if you understand how to join tables, how to filter data, and how to aggregate results. So the steps are simple. Here, to get the output, first you need to join the two tables, the movie and the movie income table based on movie ID. And after joining it, you need to filter it by the lead actor as Mr. B. And after that, filter income source as theaters. And then you can calculate the sum, you will get the answer. So the SQL part is shown on the screen. This is a very common real world SQL interview question. Now question 2, get the name of the movie which has the second highest awards won in the year 2018. Here's how you should think. First, filter movies from 2018. Then sort them by awards won in descending order. Finally, pick the second record using limit and offset. The answer for this question in the SQL manner is shown on the screen. If the interviewer asks about ties, mention using dense triangle. In the question 3, get all the movie names and their income source for movies that earn the lowest income. This question tests whether you can use a subquery, combine it with a join. First, find the minimum income, then fetch all movies that earn that amount. The answer for this particular question is shown on the screen. In the question 4, get all lead actors where none of the movies they acted in won a single award. This one is tricky. Here is the key idea. Group movies by lead actor, sum of the awards, and select actors whose total awards is 0. If you can explain this clearly in an interview, you are already ahead of many candidates. Now we jump into the question number 2, which is a Spark based question, and here they are given me a CSV file. Each row contains a list of hobbies separated by a hyphen, and you can see on the screen, like my task is to convert one row into multiple rows, one for each hobby. You can see the input on the screen and the expected output on the screen as well. So in Spark, this is solved using two functions, split to convert the string into an array, and then explode to convert the array into multiple rows. This is something you will see very often in real pipelines. The PySpark solution for this question you can see on the screen. So these are real SQL and Spark interview questions that actually get asked in big data engineer interviews. If this video helped you, comment interview below and subscribe to Big Data Factory for more real interview content. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.